This is my honest review of a new wrench set I just got. If you're anything like me, I love when I get new tools. And so we bought a new RV, and we're going to go full-time RVing. So I wanted to get a new wrench set so that I have wrenches for anything that I'm going to need, for lug nuts, to putting on the balls on my trailer hitches, anything. So I knew I was going to need some big wrenches. So I went and I bought an entire wrench set. It goes all the way down to you get 3/8, 7/16, ½ inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 3/16, 7/8, 5/16, 1 inch. It even gets bigger: 1 1/16, 1 1/8, and 1 1/4. So it gets the whole size. This is a really cool 14-piece combo wrench set, and I really love this. And it wraps up so nicely in a nice set. You know, I'm not the best at keeping track of my tools, but I think this is really going to help me. I give it a thumbs up.